Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add friends in Garena Free Fire. To add friends in Garena Free Fire, first of all, open up the Free Fire app on your mobile device. Once you do that, from the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the top right corner. Now once you're in the Friends tab, click on the Add button on the left-hand side menu. You will then be able to see a list of people you may know. You can also add them as your friend by tapping on the little human icon with a little plus in it right next to the suggested friend. After tapping on that button, you will be able to send friend request to the person. You can also search for your friend's user ID or username. Go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the search box. Type down the name of the person you are trying to add. You can also type in their Free Fire user ID or nickname. You will then be able to see the search result that matches the name that you give. Now tap on the plus button with a little human in it on the right hand corner of the person. And once you do that, you will be able to add them as your Garena Free Fire games friend. After the players accept your request, they will appear in your friend list and you can start chatting or playing together. So that is how you can easily add someone in Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.